In a tragic incident that had taken place at around 10 a.m. on 5th of August at Khatkhati, Tilabosti, near Balaji parking spot, two children was drawn in the water and lost their lives when they accidentally proceeded towards a fishery while playing. Locals informed that they had tried to save both the children when they saw the children drowning, but unfortunately one of the children died at the spot, while the other was immediately taken to Nikos Hospital, Dimapur for his treatment. The children were identified as Anu Adhikari, 2.5 years old, son of Roshan Adhikari; Ishan Adhikari, 4 years old, son of Roshan Adhikari. Khatkhati Police SI Nitul Saikia, SI Atikur Rahman, SI Rajiv Bora and Bogajan OC Moblik Brahma visited the site and took over the case. The mortal remains of the departed soul was sent to Dibru Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem report. Anantarang's report from Bogajan for Karbi Anglong Live.